Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to Regina Young and the Side Boys Resource Center. So today I have a new product that we're going to try while the boys are outside. I'm going to see if I can make this product. So I've never made this before and this is my first time. So we'll find out if it works or not. It says that I need a mug. So I purchased this mug right here, which is a big one, which is only $1 at Dollar Tree. And we're going to get started. So this is made by Betty Crocker. I got this cake from Byler's at a local grocery store. You can actually get 2 of these for $1. Don't like to spend a lot of money on something that I don't know much about. So the first thing it says is you're going to need 3 tablespoons of water or milk. Well, I got milk, didn't want to do water. And a 9 to 12 ounce mug. I think I have that covered here. Directions. First thing it says to do is empty cake mix with microwave safe bowl or mug, which I have. So this is cake mix. Oh, it's pouring down raining. Did y'all shut the door in the Jeep?
It shut it by itself.
Okay. So that's the first thing I'm doing. Now I'm guessing you can make 3 of these with this. Alright, the next thing it says tablespoon of milk. Well, I didn't get tablespoons, so I'm gonna improvise. I never get what I'm supposed to get. So this is a teaspoon, so I know that if I do a couple of these, should equal a tablespoon. Alright. Now let's see what else it says. Add 3 tablespoons of milk until cake mix is well blended. About 30 seconds. Well, this doesn't look like, well, I guess it is enough. So I'm going to stir it up. It says well blended. It says 30 seconds. And it's pouring down rain in here. My kids just came in screaming, as you heard. So I'm just going to stir this up with my hand. You could use a beater or whatever you want to use it. To me, it's actually a little thick. So I'm going to add 1 more teaspoon. I have to look it up to see how many teaspoons equal a table. I want to say 2. That looks a lot better. I made cake many times. But you should follow the ingredients 100%. Don't be like me. I don't follow ingredients well. I'm not even really for sure if you're supposed to put 1 pack or all 3 packs in, because they give you, well, they give you 4 packs. So far, I've only put 1 in. I guess I should check and read, huh? Well, microwave, then high. Do not eat raw, it says. Well, it doesn't tell me how many of these I'm supposed to use. So we're going to just do the 1. It smells delicious. This is lemon. It smells delightful. So it should be stirred up pretty well. Now it tells you to cover it. As much as I would love to lick this, it says not to taste it raw. So let's put it in the microwave. And it says that it goes in the microwave for microwave uncover on high as directed below. 1 minute and 10 seconds to 1 minute and 20 seconds. So here it goes. So while we're letting that go, Let me just show you the directions on the pack.
Okay. Good. This is scared. Hurry up.
Alright, I don't know if you can read it or not. Go get changed, you're soaking wet. Thank you, sir.
Mom,
Go get changed, you're soaking wet. Go get changed, you're soaking wet.
I know, but
Go get changed, you're soaking wet.
let's go.
The beauty of having kids. So it tells you that you needed 3 tablespoons of milk in a mug, which is 9 to 12 ounces. Not really for sure how many ounces this is, but it sounds like it's done. So let me go check to see how it came out.
Mom, we have to turn back and get the nail. I'm sorry.
That's alright, we're not worried about mail today.
We got it.
Where's it at?
It's in the living room.
Okay, we'll worry about it later. Alright, so the cake is done. Ta-da! As you can see, it worked. I'm super excited about it. Now, let's see what it tastes like. Oh, wow. Mmm. Good. Wow. I wish I made these before. I'm going to have to go back to the store and get more of these. Delicious. Great project. Easy to do with your kids. You don't have it, get it. You only need milk, a mug, one of these packs, and the box actually gives you 4. So if you're a family of 4, great activity to do for all 4 of y'all. And because it's homeschool time, this is very good because it's a great way to teach your kids about cooking. Oh my goodness. This is very, very good. And to think that I was going to go to the store and buy a cake, in less than 2 minutes you can have a cake. Delicious. And it's more healthier than buying the cake at the store. And you can actually scoop it out and make layers of cake. Put cream, whipped cream or whatever on it if you want to add to it. But it's so good. I can eat it just like this. Very good. This is a lemon cake. And it's amazing. Like, comment below, tell me what you think. And if you go out and buy one of these and you make one, share it. Tell me about it. We're going to try another one later on. Hopefully it's good as this one.